Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on swimming, which is an advanced exercise, and let me tell you, this is all about the back body. This is all about your posterior chain. But you've already done the neck roll, swan dive, single leg kick, double leg kick, so you are good to go. We will also take some time to troubleshoot common issues that come up during swimming. And so I will just meet you on the mat. Swimming comes right after hip twist. So you lower your legs all the way down, flip onto your stomach, press your legs together, reach your arms forward. First, start by pressing the crown of your head through the wall in front of you. The tip of your nose hovers over the mat, and then your tailbone reaches past your heels and towards the wall behind you. Keep that length in your lower back, and in one motion, float your arms, chest, and thighs off the mat. Can you lift your chest forward and up and reach your legs through the wall a little bit further? Now press your right arm and your left thigh up, and then switch. Press your left arm and your right thigh up, and then switch. Feel like you're lifting your leg from your upper inner thigh, and you're lifting your arm from the back of your shoulder. Let's flow. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more set, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach, lower all the way down. So 2 common issues that come up during swimming. First, compressing your lower back, and second is rotating your spine. So let's troubleshoot both of those. Lie down on your stomach with your legs all the way together. Your arms reach forward and your shoulders are away from your ears. Let's address your lower back first. Place one hand on your lower back. When you inhale, send the air all the way down to your hand. As you exhale, lift your lower abdominals up into your hand. Inhale all the way down to your hand. Exhale, lift your lower abdominals up. Make your legs reach further back. Inhale all the way down to your hand. Lift your lower abdominals. You exhale and reach your legs further back. Keep that length in your lower back and reach your arms forward. Lift your gaze slightly, and we're going to go for a little swim. To stabilize your Pilates box, press your right foot and your left hand into the floor. Inhale into your lower back to lift your left thigh and your right arm up. I lift my arm up from the back of my shoulder, and I lift my left leg up from my upper inner thigh, and then I lower all the way down. Press your left foot and right hand into the floor. Inhale into your lower back, lift your right upper inner thigh and send it way back, and then lower it all the way down. Inhale into your lower back, send your left inner thigh all the way back, arm up. Do you have equal weight on your ribs and on your hip points? And then lower. Inhale, stretch your tailbone back. Send your chest bone forward and up. And then lower, other side. Press your right foot and your left hand down. Send your chest forward, tailbone back. Equal weight on your hips. And then lower. Final one. Inhale, breathe into your lower back. Reach your right inner thigh back and your arm up. Lower all the way down and rest. Let's try swimming again, focusing on lengthening our lower back and stabilizing our Pilates box. So reach your arms forward, shoulders away from your ears, and reach your tailbone way back. As you inhale, breathe into your lower back, lift your arms, chest, and legs up off the mat. Just breathe normally and go for a swim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach your arms and legs away from one another. Inhale into your lower back. Exhale, lower. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule, and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.